Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to pair your smart bird feeder camera with your phone for the first time, the process is usually quick, but only when each step is done in the right order. Many users turn on the camera and expect it to appear automatically, only to find that the app can't detect it or the pairing never finishes. This often happens because Bluetooth or Wi Fi isn't configured correctly, the camera isn't in pairing mode, or the phone is missing a required permission. Before mounting the feeder outside, it's always a good idea to complete the pairing indoors, where the connection is stronger and easier to manage. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try to successfully pair your SmartBird feeder camera with your phone. 1. Install the feeder app and sign in to your account. 2. Power on the camera and activate pairing mode. Number 3. Enable Bluetooth and connect your phone to 2.4G HZ Wi-Fi. 4. Tap Add Device and follow the pairing instructions in the app. 5. Scan the QR code or confirm the camera when it appears. 6. Finish the setup and check the live view to confirm the connection.